You guys, I get so excited when fun seasonal items come to the farmer's market like squash blossoms. And I've actually never made fried squash blossoms before, and I wanted to give it a try because they were just so beautiful. They were calling my name. So you want to fill them up with a ricotta mixture, but first you open them up, you make sure they're clean, and you pull out the stamen. I think that's what it's called. You fill those bad boys with your ricotta mix using a Ziploc or a piping bag, and then you get to frying them. So I don't show it in the video, but I quickly battered them in a little flour and soda water mixture before I start to fry them. And a couple at the end I actually didn't fill. I just smashed them and fried them and then sprinkled them with sugar, just like my boyfriend's Italian Nonna does. So these are the ones that are filled with ricotta, and you guys, they were so good. Highly recommend. Highly, highly, highly.